Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Geolocation Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. To start fixing Geolocation Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Geolocation Library, the Windows Geolocation Library. It manages the localized collection of location data via GPS, Wi-Fi, or IP, and facilitates the localized secure sharing of this data with localized apps, like maps or weather, while enforcing localized privacy permissions. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Geolocation is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Geolocation Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/ /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The versions of Geolocation Library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Geolocation Library. If Geolocation Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.